Hi guys, so this is my analysis update on the XY guys. I'm just gonna do a quick recap on the XY based on our previous analysis. If you watch my previous analysis, I was predicting the XY to push to the downside, right? And I have different scenarios. I think we're around this area right here. I said there's a possibility for the XY to push to maybe 618% level, fib level, which is round around here right here. We can see that that's where we have like this imbalance right here. So there's a possibility for us to push up a little bit to that area right there before pushing to the downside, right? That was my first initial probability, and my second probability is because like I said, we haven't gotten to my 61.8% fib level. So I said there's a possibility that we might push up to that level, which is 104.636. I said there's a possibility for us to get there to either push to the downside or break the zone, retest the zone, and continue to push to the upside based on how the current price um do. But as we can see that even though we did not get to my 61.8 fib level to retrace, we started retracing off of 50% fib level, and we can see that we retraced around that area right here. We started tanking to the downside. We can see that we got to our first target, which was 104.344, and my second target 104.261. And if you've been watching my analysis, you know I've always mentioned most of the time that around these zones, either my negative 27% fib level or my negative 61.8% fib level, a reversal area. So as you can see, that as soon as we got to my 61.8% fib level, we started tanking to the upside. So when we're tanking to the upside, I was thinking maybe we'll actually push up to 61.8% fib level to either target before dropping or pushing to the upside, like I mentioned earlier. But as you know, we don't predict the market, we react to the market. We didn't push up to that level. We started tanking down, right? So now I'm just gonna delete this previous analysis now and reanalyze the XY based on the current price. So let's go to a bigger time frame. If you've been watching my analysis, you know that I like to do top-down analysis. It just simplifies things and makes things easier for us to look at. So as you can see right here, this is the weekly time frame. It's not giving us much on the weekly time frame, so I'm gonna go to my daily time frame just to see what that is giving. So as you can see that on my daily time frame is giving some sort of like a bear momentum right here, but the candlestick hasn't closed yet. The candlestick isn't closed yet, so I'm gonna wait and see how the candlestick react around this area right here. We can see that we still have like a retest to do. So if you're pushing to the downside, this is a possibility for us to push here before tanking to the upside, or we might actually push up to that, up to this right here, this area right here, which is 1.3774. To retest, we can see that we broke this zone right here. We haven't come back to retest that zone, so there's a possibility that we might actually do that. But this right here is also kind of significant, so I'm just gonna put it here. Around this area right here is also significant because you can see based on the smaller time frame, if you go to the smaller time frame, you see that there's a breakout structure around this area right here. So we might just come here to retest here, either tank to the downside, or we might just continue to tank to here to retest the zone. So that will determine on the momentum of sell we see when the candlestick closes. So let's go to my 4-hour time frame and see. Can delete this. We can see on my 4-hour time frame that we have broken structure as well. So we can see that we broke the structure. We're having this right here. So let's see, we might based on how I'm seeing it, I think we might still push down a little bit, maybe to around that area, like I said. So certainly 1.04308 will be my TP area, and if you continue to have more momentum of sell, 103774 will be my TP2. So let's see, I'm gonna draw a zone right here, point A to point B. From here to here. So as you can see that we are currently reacting around my 627% fib level. So if you continue to have more momentum of sell, certainly this would be my next target. Round around here will be my next target. So this right here is my next target. If we continue to push to the downside, 20. So we can also draw just a line here, because I just want us to know that we are currently around my negative 27% fib level, and I told you those area are like my reversal zone. So there's a possibility that we might tank up a little bit before pushing to the downside, or we might just continue to push to the upside. That's a possibility. But because of how it's going, right, I'm seeing momentum of sell, so there's a possibility we might hit my negative 27% fib level. That's a possibility. And like I said, if we continue to push to the downside, even when we got to my first target, certainly this will be my second target right here, 774. So I just think that right here will be my next target, will be here, like I said. And if I still see more momentum of sell, this will be my other target for the XY, guys. So let's see how the market plays, because remember there is a gap here, right? So we might just come here weak a little bit and push to the upside. I have not seen anything on buy yet on the XY, but we know anything can happen, right? Just because I'm not seeing anything on buy yet, I am not going to predict a buy move on the XY until I see a buy reaction. Right now I'm seeing more of a sell than a buy, so I just think the XY is gonna sell. We all know we can't predict the market, react to the market. So if the market continues to, if we see a change of price action in the market, then I'm just going to reanalyze the market based on that current price action. So this is my quick thoughts, guys, on the XY, guys. Hope you guys find it helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share, and I'll see you in my next analysis, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.